An easy, creamy, comforting casserole with ground beef and hash browns. I'm Tess, and I will show you how to make a ground beef and hash brown casserole from start to finish. Stay tuned. This is an easy weeknight casserole that you will use a lot of pantry items, and you can change this recipe up with whatever you have on hand. In my skillet on medium-high heat, I'm cooking and chopping 1 pound of ground beef until no longer pink. I'm going to drain off some of the excess fat. Now I'm adding in 1 cup of diced onions and about 1½ cups of finely diced mushrooms. Adding in a pinch of black pepper, cooking and stirring for 3 to 5 minutes or until the onions change color. This is 1 cup of frozen peas and 4 cloves of minced garlic. Cooking and stirring for 1 minute and then removing from the heat. You could also use some frozen corn or mixed vegetables in this recipe. Or maybe chop up some celery, carrots, peppers, or even some zucchini. Now is the time to clean out that refrigerator and freezer. This is 1 30-ounce bag of frozen hash browns that I thawed by tossing in a colander, rinsing with water, and letting them drain for a good 30 minutes. In my large bowl, I'm adding in 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup. You could also use or do a combo with cream of chicken or celery. Adding in 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese and half a soup can of milk. About 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and giving that a good stir. I didn't add any salt because I know the cream of soups and the cheese will have plenty, but you can add to your taste. Adding my slightly cooled meat and vegetable mixture in with the hash browns and giving everything a good toss. Pouring everything into my lightly greased 9 by 13 baking dish and leveling out. And finally, I'm sprinkling the other cup of shredded cheese on top. This is going into a 350-degree oven for 40 to 45 minutes or until the casserole is nice and bubbly and the cheese is melted. The ground beef and hash brown casserole is done, and my family is waiting to eat. As you can see, this casserole will feed a hungry family of 4 to 6 people. An easy casserole recipe that you can change up the vegetables, the sauce, and the spices, all depending on what you like and what you have available. Garnishing with some chopped chives. This is quite a hearty and comforting meal with your meat, potatoes, and vegetables all in the casserole. I hope you give this ground beef and hash brown casserole a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please remember to hit the like and subscribe button to receive my future recipes. Please feel free to share my channel with your friends and family. It really helps my channel grow and it is greatly appreciated. And until next time, much love.